Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So, I kind of want to see what the carnage inside this motor looks like. I'm starting to have a feeling it might have been like that from the beginning, and that was actually the previous owner that had done that. I don't know. I'm having a feeling that's what happened. There was a lot of oil buildup, and I don't know. Something's pointing me in that direction. So I figured, why not? I'm going to crack the case open and see if there are any parts that are savable, because if there are, maybe this engine is rebuildable. You know, we can go from there. If anything, I have a really good parts motor, but it'd be really nice if I could save this motor. So I'm going to give it a shot. I mean, you already saw that one, well, those two, how I was able to rebuild those. And we're going to go from there. I'm also going to start looking at the old John Deere motor that came off of this thing tonight. And we're going to see if it's, not if it's savable, but I'm going to end up posting that for sale as well. So I kind of want to get that going, running a little better before I sell it. I'll probably take the carb apart and go from there. Let's do some work tonight. Let's see what I can get done. It's only 2 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, stay tuned.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime.